Yun na nga, this world would never choose me because I am no work of art. No, but you believe, that's why I am here. Kung mapapakinggan natin, no, kung nakinig tayo kay Choi, no, at kung mabasahin din ulit natin yung gospel, yung nag-start to sa line, no, na the Lord chose another 72 men and sent them out 2 by 2. So before that, no, as I reflect on this gospel, na nakita ko lang talaga is 2 things. No? Mission and community. Yan yung itatakil natin sa gospel na to. Sabi nga, no, that the Lord chose another 72. No? Bakit kaya kailangan pa kumuha ng another 72 ni Lord? Diba? May 12 apostles naman na siya. No? Well-trained naman yung mga yun. No? Bakit kailangan pa ng another 72? No, it is because we all know, no, that the mission is bigger. No? That we have bigger mission. And that we have wider, no, opportunities. So bakit ko pinili yung kanta? No, it's sabi yung kanta. No? This world would never choose me because I am no work of art. Kung isa ka sa 72 na pinili na yun, no, you might say, bakit ako, Lord? Hindi ako kasing galing nila Peter. No? Hindi ako kasing galing makinig ni Matthew na natatandaan lahat ng sinusunod, lahat ng sinasabi mo. Hindi ako kasing galing nila. Hindi mo ako nakasama ng sintagal na nakasama mo sila. Why me? No? Why me? But still, no, the Lord is choosing us. The Lord is choosing you. Hindi siya natapos doon sa 12 apostles lang. No, He chose another 72, and that another 72 could be us. No, this could be us. The Lord is choosing you. Hindi pwedeng taga-nood ka lang. Hindi pwedeng taga-pakinig ka lang. I believe this 72 is part of the crowd. No? Part of the crowd na sumunod din kay Jesus. No? Hindi pwede na taga-kanta ka lang. No? Hindi pwede na nandyan ka lang. The Lord is appointing you for bigger and wider mission. Alam ko namang alam niya yan, as you journey with Verbum Day, na hindi pwedeng nakikinig lang tayo. We know that eventually, manginginig ka din sa harapan sa pagbibigay ng guidelines, no? Yun yung nilulook forward natin dapat. Because we know that the Lord is choosing us, no, to do that mission. Sa community part, no, hindi na ako magdudwell on mission. No? Eventually, you will see that. You will know that as you journey with Verbum Day. But sa part ng community, no, meron akong 2 points na gustong itakel ngayon. First is, of course, community, no? We depend on one another. Ano yung sabi sa gospel? The Lord chose another 72 men and sent them out 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Hindi sinend ni Lord na, oh Yem, sige, dun ka, bahala ka na dyan. No, hindi. Sinesend ni Lord yung mga tao nang may mga kasama. And how lucky, no? How blessed are we? Ano? Are we? That we have community, no? That we have this community, Verbum Day. No, Jesus is sending us not only lang tayo lang, no? But He is sending us with a community, no? That can help us. And nung nakita ko yung gospel, sinat ko si Kuya Gab, sabi ko, pinili mo ba tong gospel na to sa akin? Sabi ko sa kanya. Kasi hindi ako namili ng gospel. In-appoint lang nila, wala akong choice. Nilagay lang nila ako. So, na-check ko yung gospel reading for tomorrow. Nagulat ako. Sabi ko, alala ni God yung gospel ko. Hindi pala. Hindi nga alam yung gospel. Pero bakit nga ba? Gusto niyo ng kwento? Yun ang kwento. Yeah. Na may kwento. Hindi. Kasi itong gospel na to, yung Luke 10:1 na yan, specifically, yung sinulat ko kay Nong Niles. sinagot ko si Naomi. Yeah. Sabi ko, will you be my Luke 10:1? No? Will you be my partner in mission? Kasi nga sabi ni Lord sa akin, pagkakaintindi ko, Elaine, I will send you, but you will have a partner with me. So for how many years, Lord, nasan yung partner na yon? Lord, sino ba yung partner na yon? Ipakilala mo sa akin. So, may mga dumating. Ba't nag-name drop, no? May mga dumating, pero they don't have the quality of a partner na gusto ni Lord, no? Na makasama ko. No? So, mga hindi nag-work out. Kasi nga hindi yun yung sinuset ni Lord with me. Siyempre, di ba, verbum day tayo, no? Kaya, dapat lahat ng galaw natin may word of God, no? Even sa pagsagot sa nanliligaw with word of God. Diba? So, yun yung sinagot ko kay Naomi. Will you be my Luke 10:1? Kasi kung oo ka, edi oo na din ako. And, luckily, no? Hindi ko alam, baka nabudol lang. Nag-yes naman, no? Nag-yes naman, thankfully. Pero seriously, no, we really need a partner in the mission. No, we cannot do it alone. We need a partner in mission. Why? Kasi it is also written in this gospel, sabi ni Lord, I will send you like lambs. Ano yung lambs? Tupa. No? I will send you like tupa among wolves. Sabi ni Lord. Kaya mo ba yun? Kung ikaw lang mag-isa? Diba? Punong-puno ng wolves, tapos mag-isa ka lang na tupa. Diba? You cannot. Kaya nga, sinisend niya tayo nang may kasama tayo, nang may katulong tayo. Kasi, it will never be easy. Hindi sinabi ng Lord na, gawin mo yung mga ginagawa ko. No? Magpagaling ka doon, magtanggal ka ng demonyo doon. Kaya mo yan, madali lang yan. Hindi niya sinabi yon. Sinabi niya that it will never be easy. That's why you need someone beside you. You know, you need people beside you. He did not promise a success, no? Kapag ka sinabi, paglabas mo dyan sa pintuan, paglabas mo, lahat ng tao dyan, nagpe-praise na kay Lord. No, hindi ganon. So, sabi rin sa atin sa gospel nito, you need to choose your partner wisely. How to choose your partner wisely? Of course, you ask the Lord if this is the partner that you are sending me with. No? Kasi hindi naman sinabi ni Lord, I will send you, tapos pili ka partner mo. No. I will send you 2 by 2. Ibig sabihin, He already have in mind kung sino yung makakasama mo sa mission na yun. Kung sino yung makakasama mo sa journey na yun. And when I say partner, no, it doesn't mean jowa-jowa lang. No? I started with Dongmi, pero it doesn't mean na jowa-jowa lang. No, it can also be a community, no, a friend. It is very important, no, very crucial, especially on your age, to choose the right friends. No, choose the right friends. I have a lot of stories to tell. No, how many years of verbum? 13, 14 years? I don't know na. No, kung iisa-isahin ko, aabot tayo ng Pasko. Pero, I will share some. No? Kaninang umaga lang, medyo emotional ako. Tanghali pala, hindi pala umaga. Na nagmi-meeting kami with Doc Resty and hello, nasplok! Char! Nagmi-meeting kami with Doc Resty and Ate Ceci kanina. I was so emotional. Kasi nasa tabi ko si Lechelle. And si Nanay Lechelle kasi is one of the OG. Kami mga OG youth dito sa Pansol. No? Kami yung mga naunang pasaway dito sa Pansol. No? And kanina, na very emotional ko lang, no? Kasi I started the mission with Lechelle nang wala pang Tatay Sherwin. Hindi pa siya Nanay Lechelle. No? Now, nag-meeting kami with Sherwin, with Tatay Sherwin, and with Adi. No? Nasabi ko talaga kanina na I really chose the right friend. You know, the right friend na hindi iniiwan si Jesus. No? Kahit na dami namin pinagdaanan, na hindi niya na hopefully mapapagdaanan. Kami yung naging kami yung naging parang trial and error, no, ng Pansol. Kasi nga kami mga una, no, marami kami pinagdaanan. But still, no, sa dami namin before, No, kami na lang ni Lechelle yung nandito ngayon, serving dito sa Pansol. So, sobrang happy lang ng puso ko kanina. Sobrang emotional ko lang. No, kasi until now, no, I can work with her. I can get to work with her. Nanay Lechelle helps me a lot, no, as a friend and also as a partner in mission. I also have your Kuya Gab here. Kahit ganyan yan, no, ganyan na talaga yan. Ganyan na talaga yan, no? Pero seriously, no, I have this someone, alam ko na na-experience nyo dito, who will go against ng mga pinipili mo sa buhay, no? And we need that. We need that also. No? Recorded tayo yan. You need that someone also. No? Magpapaalala sa'yo na, oy, teka lang, parang you're losing track. Parang hindi dapat dyan punta natin. Dito dapat tayo. So you also need that someone. No? And someone who I know for sure is praying for me. Hindi na nga siya nakapag-pray para sa sarili niya, alam ko eh. Kasi He is praying for every one of us here. No, someone I can grow with sa loob ng community, no, and sa mission. Kahit na maraming hindi pagkakasunduan, hindi pagkakaintindihan, of course we have different level, no, different kind, o different way of leading, no, or of doing things. No, and yun yung isang challenge sa community. But if you have the right one, the right friend, no, if you have the right community with you, yung conflict na yun, yung challenge na yun, it will help you grow. And of course, no, yung nachika ko nga kanina, may Luke 10:1. Yes, may Luke 10:1. Ibang level yung kilig, I don't know. Na-share ko nung Easter encounter namin. No, hopefully sa susunod na sa inyo na kami, no? Pero yun nga, na-share ko nung Easter encounter namin. We were with the adults. Sabi ko dun sa mga ka-sharing ko, hindi ko alam kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, pero kinikilig ako. Kinikilig ako kapag nakikita ko si Noni na sa harapan, nakasutana, nagsiserve. There's different kilig, hindi ko maintindihan. Para akong high school, dumaan yung crush, ganon. Pero I know it's something different. No? Something different. Kasi hindi lang siya basta crush na dahil crush ko siya. No? Pero kasi yung kilig na I get to do the mission with this someone. No? I get to do the mission with my crush. Yes? FYI, childhood crush ko talaga si Nomi. Hey! So, ayun, different level of kilig. Kapag nakikita ko siyang nakasutana, ganyan. Kapag nakikita ko siyang nagpe-prepare ng guidelines, marami kasi hindi ko friends sa IG. Hindi ko sinashare mga ganong bagay sa IG. No? Pero, may different kind of peace, no? Different kind of joy. No? When we prepare guidelines together, kapag kami mga random tanong si Nomi tungkol sa simbahan, kasi akala niya, porket ang tagal ko na sa Burbombe, akala niya, dami ko nang alam sa simbahan, pero totoo, kalokohan lang talaga yung mga alam. Pero yun, may mga random questions siya sa akin tungkol sa simbahan, and it's not usual. It's not usual sa mag-jowa, no? Pag-uusapan niyo dapat future, ganyan, kids, ganyan, favorite mong ulam, very shallow, no? Pero what I mean is, it's a different level of conversation, no, that we have, no? Pag-uusapan namin, pinag-awayan namin yung sing-sing ni Pope. Pinag-awayan namin yung tawag sa sing-sing ni Pope. Pinag-awayan namin yung mga rights sa Easter encounter. Madaming bagay, no? Pero when I try to look at it, no, it's really a different kind of, I don't know, a different kind of love. No, that you get to do things with someone na naiintindihan ka. And most importantly is I have someone who is praying with me. No, not only praying for me, but also praying with me. And someone who is reminding me to pray. And that's very, very important when you do the mission. It's very important that you have someone who will remind you to pray. Parang, oy, wait lang. Parang puro ka na mission na. Parang puro ka na ng outreach. Ano ng prayer life mo? How's your prayer life? Sabi nga ni ate mo, What's her name? How's your prayer life? No, it's important. No, these are the qualities, no, of partner na na-experience ko in my mission here. No, I just hope that you are able to identify also names, no, that you have along your journey. You need to choose someone, no, someone whose eyes is fixed on Jesus. Not only someone who is willing to serve. No, not only someone who knows how to serve, but someone whose eyes is fixed on Jesus. You need that someone. Kasi, lahat naman pwedeng mag-serve. No? Lahat pwedeng tumulong. Lahat pwedeng gawin yung mga pinagawa ni Jesus. Pero, yung nawawala kasi along the way is yung connection with Jesus. And if you want a healthy mission partner, you need to make sure that your partner has that. An eyes that fix on Jesus. And of course, you need to have that one. So, hindi pwedeng hihingiin mo sa partner mo, pero wala naman sa'yo, di ba? Hindi pwedeng hihingi ka pasensya sa partner mo, pero ikaw, di ka naman mapagpasensya, no? Hindi pwedeng hihingi ka ng bebe time sa partner mo, pero ikaw, wala kang time para sa kanya. Diba? Hindi pwede yun. So, it's always equal. Kailangan laging pareho, no? So, you need that someone. Jesus sends us 2 by 2 because He knows that it will never be easy. He also did it with the 12. No, may time din na ginawa niya yan sa 12. Hindi lang itong 72, yung sinend niya by 2 by 2. No? Ginawa niya rin siya doon sa 12 apostles. It was in Mark 6:7 if you want to read it. Okay? Community, first one is depend on one another. We are blessed, no, that we have this Barumbe community. So we need to depend on each other. We need to pray for each other. Second is you need to depend on God. Okay? Sabi doon, babasahin niyo ulit, mamaya mababasa niyo. Take nothing with you, sinabi. Take nothing with you. Parang, nung unang-unang beses ko nabasa ito, nag-aklas agad ako kay Lord. Nagreklamo agad ako kay Lord. Lord, you will send me as lambs sa mga wolves. Tapos wala akong armas. Wala akong dadalhin. Ano yun? Ano yun? Hindi pwede yun. Mahirap yun. Yun talaga yung first reaction ko. Parang grabe ka naman yata, Lord. Hindi mo ako i-send na equip. No? Hindi mo ako i-send na may pananggalang man lang ako. And the more, no, I throw my tantrums to God. Kasi sabi ko, hindi pwede yung Lord eh. Hindi pwede. Hindi ako pwedeng bumiyahe nang wala akong extra pera. Hindi pwede yung bumiyahe na sakto lang yung pamasahe ko. Hindi pwede. Kasi paano pag maligaw ako? Diba? So, nung time na yun, talagang pina-question ko si Lord, no? Yung sabi ko na, and yun nga, the more I question Him, the more I throw my tantrums to Him, no? Na bakit ganito, Lord? Bakit ganyan? The clearer the message is. The more I get it, I am being sent to a very important mission. It is a very important mission. And walang kahit anong kagamitang panglupa yung pwedeng maging pananggalang ko. No? I am being sent to a place na walang ibang kayang magligtas sa akin, kundi yung tiwala ko lang sa Diyos. No? Kaya, this is the one point, no, that I wanted you to ponder on this gospel. Depend on God. Wala tayong dapat ibang asahan, kundi ang Diyos lang. No? Kasi, He is the greatest weapon that we can have. No? And He trusts us. No? He trusts us that much na I know na you can. I know kaya mo. Kahit wala ka nito, kahit wala ka yan. I know kaya mo. Kasi andito kasama mo. Wala ka man nito, di ka man marunong mag-preach, I will teach you. Hindi ka marunong makipag-mingle with other people, I will teach you. Kung mahiyain ka, di ka marunong mag-start ng conversation, I will teach you. No? Kailangan lang natin ay tiwala. Tiwala sa Kanya. O nga, hindi ako marunong kumanta eh. Pero nilagay niya ako sa choir. Mamunting tinig choir. Diba? Makulit sila. Makulit ba ako? Di naman. So, depend on Him. No, magtiwala sa Diyos. Kasi siya yung nagbigay sa atin ng mission na to. He is simply telling us, you need nothing but me. No, you need nothing but me. Ako lang yung kailangan mo. No, I will equip you. I will teach you how to do things. You all know my journey, no, as a campus minister. Yes, mag-1 year na ako. Hey! 1 year na nagra-run si Ate Lay. Pero you know my journey, no, as a campus minister. And kung paano ako nangapa din talaga. Nangapa ng sobra. Kasi naalis ako sa comfort zone ko. Naalis ako sa Verbum Bay. No? And nilagay ako ni Lord sa napakalaking mission. And sobra talaga akong in shock. Ganun. Pero, I am super blessed, no? That now I was sharing this with Kuya Gab nung nakaraan. Pinuno nila yung schedule ko with trainings, with formations, and lahat ng naa-attenan ko talaga, masasabi ko na ang laking tulong. Malaking tulong para sa pagiging campus minister ko. And pag tinitignan ko yung presyo, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, hindi ko siya magagawa nung nasa Verbum Day lang ako. I am blessed kasi binibigay sa amin yung privilege na yun, no, as a campus minister. So yun lang yung tiwala, no, sa sinabi ni Lord sa akin na I will equip you. Ako bahala sa iyo. I got you, my friend. Yun yung sinasabi ni Lord sa atin. Why is it important to depend on God? No? It's very important that we depend on God. Kasi, your friends will leave you. Si Nanay Michelle, iwan ako niyan. Pumunta yun ng Pandakan, naiwan ako mag-isa dito. Ba? Your friends will leave you. Your partners in mission will leave you. Your core team, mapapalitan yan. Yung mga kasama mo sa core team, mapapalitan yan. Yung missionaries na naka-assign sa inyo, malilipat yan, maa-assign yan sa kung saan. Mag-iiba yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. May mga gagraduate sa inyo, may mga magtatrabaho, may mga malilipat sa YP. Diba? May mga maaalis sa mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo. If you depend on them, wala na. Finish na. Diba? If you only depend on them, hindi ka na makakapagpatuloy. No? The mission will be difficult. But when you depend on God, it will be worth it. No? Kahit mawala pa si Kuya Jello, I'm still hurt. Nalalipat si Jello, no? Nalalipat si Papa Vic, na di niya na na-meet, no? Because they taught me to depend on God and not on them. No? Kinaya ko. I am still here. Madaming missionaries na dito. No? Nakapagka nandito nga ako, feeling ko, naaalala ko yung mga kulitan namin dito, ganyan. Nakakalungkot maisip na nalipat sila ng community, no? Pero kapag naaalala ko yung turo nila sa akin, that you should depend on God. You need to depend on God. Kasi ate, hindi kami forever dito. Hindi kami forever dito. You need to learn na may isang tao na mag-stay sa iyo, and that is God. So that's two things under community. No? We need to depend on one another, and we need to depend on God. And yung ending ng gospel ngayon is very, I don't know, babala. Babala ni Lord sa atin. No? Sabi doon, the 72 returned rejoicing. Tapos biglang diniscuss ni Lord yung tungkol kay Satan. Bakit ganun? Bakit ganun, Lord? Nag-mission lang naman kami Nagmasaya lang naman kami sa mission namin. Bakit naman kailangan mo kami compare kay Satan? May kulang ba? May mali ba? May hindi ba kami ginawa? Pero, di ba after mission, ano bang feeling natin? Anong feeling? Masaya, di ba? I everyone here who've been to mission, pag uwi, no, after mission, there's this unexplainable joy, no, that you have in your heart. Pagod ka, sakit ng katawan mo, no, sakit ng ulo mo, pero ang saya. Ang saya-saya after ng mission. And, hindi ko sinasabing mali yun, no? Kasi yun talaga dapat ang fruit ng mission natin, no? Joy is the fruit of mission. But the Lord is warning us. The Lord is warning us. The gospel is simply telling us to be careful with the joy that we are experiencing. Be careful, sabi nga ni Kuya Kim, maging mapanuri, matsyag, matanglawi, maging mapanuri. No? Kasi we are human. We are all human. We all have tendencies. No? Tendencies to own that joy that we are receiving. We have the tendencies to feel that we have the superpowers. Pag-uwi nila, Lord, ang galing! Nakinig sa amin ng mga demonyo, nagsipag-alisan sila. Hindi nakikinig. Diba? We have that tendencies na Lord, ang galing namin, kinaya namin, Lord. Malupit na ako, no? Kaya ko na, Lord, no? Matagal na ako sa verbum, Lord, no? Narinig ko na yan. Alam ko na yung gospel na yan. No, be careful. Be careful. Be careful with your powers. No? We all have powers na binibigay ni Lord sa atin. Be careful with the talents, no, that you have. Be careful with the resources that you have. It says in Luke 10:20, the true joy is not power, but grace. Always remember that the mission is not yours. The community is not yours. That priest who is handling you right now is not yours. Your friend is not yours. No, your talent is not yours. Same with this joy. This joy is not yours. No? They are all graces from God. Rejoice with God. Kasi sabi nga, true joy is not in power, but in grace. So we'll be having guide questions, no, to ponder on all the things that we heard. Sana may narinig, sana may nakarating sa inyo. So first question, sorry, pasulat na lamang po, wala tayong PowerPoint, sorry na. First question, the usual, what struck you and why? No? Anong nakaantig sa'yo at bakit? Second, who are your partners in mission? Sino along the way, no, ng journey mo, yung mga naging partner mo in mission? Who are your partners in mission? And paano ka nila natulungan? At paano ka naging tulong sa kanila? Who are your partners in mission? Paano ka nila natulungan? At paano ka naging tulong sa kanila? Third, paano pinatunayan sa iyo ni God na He is worth trusting? Paano pinatunayan sa iyo ni God that He is worth trusting? And lastly, for evaluation, in the scale of 1 to 10, yes, in the scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how happy are you with your missionary journey here sa Verbum Day, and why? In the scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with your missionary journey here sa Verbum Day, and why? Okay? So we have how many minutes? 20 minutes of silent time.